Hey, I'm Eli. I'm a co-founder. GMass, I rate it 5 stars. For more reviews, click the link below. My company uses GMass to send emails out to cold leads that we find through a app called PropStream. We drive around the neighborhood and look for off-market properties, skip trace their contact information, and send cold emails out to see if they're interested in selling us their property. What I like most about GMass is the ability to personalize subject lines. What I've found in my business is if I incorporate the property address of a cold email, they are much more likely to open and convert. The only thing I have a challenge with GMass about is the fact that you have to set up your own SMTP server. So, what that basically does is ensure that you don't get stopped by Gmail's daily send limits. So, if you want to send up to 2,000 emails a day, you have to set up your own server, which is kind of tedious if you're not completely tech savvy, but it's perfectly doable.